I'm Praveen Shukla. I'm making video here for the linear regression. Important things, so please listen carefully. The study of correlation indicates. Now listen carefully. I'm just telling you all the theory parts. Okay. And the study of the correlation indicates the degree and the direction of linear relationship between the two random variables. But this much information is insufficient to study of perfect relationship between the variables. Hence, it is the necessary to know any functional or algebraic relationship between the two variables, so we can determine or predict the value of one variable when the value of the other variable is given. Okay, so this concept is studied with the help of the regression analysis, and it measures the effect of change in one variable on the other and estimate the values of one variable given the value of another variables. So this is very important thing. It can ask as you're in examination as MCQs. Okay, so Carl Friedrich Gauss developed the least square method. This is very important line. Who developed the least square method? So Carl Friedrich Gauss develop the least square method for finding the linear equation that best describe the relationship between the two or more variables. Such a relationship is called the linear regression. Got it? And then notes what? Now listen, it is an unknown quantity is a parameter or random variable, then the method used to determine them is called estimation. And then if an unknown quantity is a variable, then the method used to determine it is called prediction. Okay, predication. So now listen, important formula, you have to be listen carefully, very important. This is y is equal to a plus bx, where y is equals to value of y and x is equals to value of x. A, b are the constant. And now listen, the next formula is what? Equation of best fitted linear regression. So y cap is equals to a plus bx, where y cap is predicted value of y. So a is equals to, formula is what? Y bar minus bx bar. So b is equals to what? b is equals to, we can find value of this what? Cov what? X comma y to the sigma square x. This is for the variance of x. So please listen carefully. And then error, how to find out? E for error, E is equals to y minus y cap. So linear of regression, so line of regression of y on x, so y minus y bar is equals to b by x. This is the formula of the find what? Linear regression, line of linear regression, x minus x bar. Or we can write here y is equals to a plus bx, where b is equals to b by x and a is equals to y minus bx. So the value of the y can be estimated for the given value of x. So now listen, line of regression of x on y. So here we can write here x minus x bar is equals to bx by y minus y bar, or x is equals to a complement plus b complement y, where b complement is equals to bxy and a complement is equals to x bar minus b complement y bar. Got it? So then the value of x can be estimated for the given value of y. Okay, and then point of intersection of two regression lines. So the point of intersection of two regression lines, like what? Is x bar comma y bar. To find the x bar y bar, solve two regressions equation in x and y. These values of x and y, values of x bar and y bar. So regression coefficient is very important. So there is written cov. So cov means what? Coefficient. So byx is equals to coefficient of xy upon sigma square x, summation of x minus x bar y minus y bar dot summation upon summation of x माइनस एक्स बार का होल स्क्वायर. क्लियर? ये इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है फॉर्मूला. इसलिए मैं फॉर्मूला आपको पूरा क्लियर कर दे रहा हूँ, ताकि आपको अगर फॉर्मूला याद रहेगा तो यू कैन फाइंड आउट. सो नाउ इसका ही फॉर्मूला, इसको ही एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं, तो क्या होगा? समेशन ऑफ एक्स वाई अपॉन एन माइनस समेशन माइनस एक्स बार डॉट वाई बार अपॉन समेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन एन डॉट मीन्स माइनस एक्स बार का स्क्वायर. सो अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? ध्यान दीजिए, इसको अपॉन वन ले लीजिए, इसको अपॉन वन ले लीजिए, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? समेशन ऑफ एक्स वाई माइनस एन एक्स बार वाई बार अपॉन समेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस समेशन ऑफ एक्स बार स्क्वायर. सो आपको पता होगा इसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाती है? आर डॉट सिग्मा वाई अपॉन सिग्मा एक्स. क्यों? क्योंकि बी वाई एक्स इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है? बी. ओके, ये चीज़ ध्यान रखना आप. एंड देन regression coefficient of x and y. So bxy is equals to coefficient of xy upon sigma square y is equal to summation of x minus x bar dot y minus y bar upon summation of y minus y bar का square. सो वी कैन राइट हियर व्हाट समेशन ऑफ एक्स वाई अपॉन एन, ये किसके लिए है, एक्स और वाई के लिए है, और वो वाई ऑन एक्स के लिए था। तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा समेशन ऑफ एक्स वाई अपॉन एन माइनस एक्स बार वाई बार अपॉन, सेम वही चीज़ होगा बस उल्टा हो जाएगा। यहाँ पे वही सेम चीज़ होगा, जो वहाँ पे वाई अपॉन एक्स आ रहा था यहाँ पे एक्स अपॉन वाई आएगा, मतलब आर डॉट सिग्मा एक्स अपॉन सिग्मा वाई। यहाँ पे बी एक्स वाई होगा वो बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट के इक्वल होगा, ठीक है। प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रिग्रेशन ऑफ द कोफिशिएंट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। So now properties. So r square is equals to byx dot bxy is equal to b into b naught less equals to प्लस माइनस वन का होल स्क्वायर। सो आर की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट बी वाई एक्स डॉट बी एक्स वाई होता है। सो साइन ऑफ आर इज सेम एज द साइन ऑफ बी वाई एक्स एंड बी एक्स वाई। So we can write here byx and bxy always have the similar sign. So please carefully you have to be read it. If byx is greater than 1, then bxy less than 1. Okay. So mod we always use because it can be changed also. So summation mod in mod byx plus bxy whole upon 2, ये एवरेज हमने निकाला है, greater equals to in mod r. And b and b complement are independent of change of origin but not of scale. u की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या है फॉर्मूला, u इज इक्वल टू एक्स माइनस ए अपॉन एच एंड v इज इक्वल टू वाई माइनस बी अपॉन के, देन वाई बी वाई एक्स इज इक्वल टू के अपॉन एच बी वी यू एंड बी एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू एच अपॉन के बी यू वी। क्लियर? यस. So next is about meaning and type of regression. So now listen, meaning of regression means what? Linear regression is the statistical method which helps to formulate a functional relationship between two or more variables in the form of linear equations and predicts the value of one variable given the value of other variable. Clear? Very important this is. And then next the variable being predicted is called the response or dependent variable. Usually it is denoted by y. And the variables used for predicting and response or dependent variable are called predictors or independent variables. Usually they are denoted by x. Clear? So linear regression model. So a linear equation with the unknown coefficient is called the linear regression model. The unknown coefficient are called the parameters of the linear regression model, and they are estimated by the observed value of independent variables. The equations of linear regressions model is of the form of y is equal to a plus bx, where y is equals to y is what? Dependent variable and x is independent variable. A and b are parameters of the linear regressions model. Okay, and the linear regressions model develop a formula for predicting the value of independent variable when the values of independent variable are known. Okay, linear regressions model will be help to prediction only if there is strong correlation between the two variables. So types of the linear regression, please listen carefully. Simple linear regression model, when the linear regression model represents the relationship between the dependent variable and one independent variable, then it is called simple linear regression. Okay, an example just like relationship between the advertising x and the sales of the product y. And second thing, the relationship between the age x and the height y of seeding in experiment. And then multiple regression model, this is the second one. So when the linear regression model represents the relationship between the dependent variable and two or more independent variables, then it is called multiple linear regression models. Example, the blood pressure of a person y is associated with the several independent variable like age, height, weight, level of blood sugar and level of blood cholesterol. Okay.